Hello friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is Last Thing Thrifted. Our host is Dawn from Shabby Meets Bling, and Jody from Jody's Southern Seasons, Marika from Marika's Creations, Monica from Up All Night DIY, Annie from Indiana Jones, Crafting with Indiana Jones, and Repurpose My Way. Okay, I thrifted this wagon at the thrift store. I think it was $3 or $4, and I had to put it together. It was just threw in a box. We didn't even know if all the parts was here, and me and my husband put it together because it wasn't an easy put together. Okay, let's see if I can. It says Collections Inc. is what it was made from, made in China. I want it to kind of look a little more rustic than it does, and we're gonna put some fall flowers in this. So I'm gonna sand it a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna dry brush this, which means I'm dipping my brush into paint. Then I'm taking it over and just kind of taking some of that paint off. I'm gonna just do a little bit of dry brushing. To give this wood just a little bit more texture. Okay, here's our wagon. I am going to add a little block of foam in there. I don't think we'll need it. Because this is stuff that I can remove. The wagon did come with different things to put on for different holidays. So I thought I'd put just the fall on. And I'm going to just bend these out because they look like this. I'm going to bend these out. like this. And there is a bunch of these, so we can get these really nice and filled with these. I'm going to at least add one more. I like to make it really nice and full. There. Now I'm going to add some leaves. Start by adding them at all four corners. I'm going to start with adding a pumpkin. Those pumpkins are on my front porch. I bought a whole set from Amazon. And I have 4 of them out there on my front porch. And since this was going to be in my entryway, right off my front porch, I thought that would be perfect. Okay, now I'm going to add 3 turquoise roses. These are in my living room. And I think I'm going to do this mostly a front arrangement. This is the different holidays that it came with that can go on the side of your wagon. Tell me which one you like best. Okay, here is our wagon after we made it a little bit more rustic, as you can see, than it was. And we added our arrangement in it. Oh, and there is also different ones of these that you take off and on for the different holidays. That's why I didn't glue anything down into it. There's an American flag and there's different things for Christmas too. But I love it for fall. What do you think? Okay, this was a $3 project as well. I didn't know whether it was a cat or a rat. You let me know what you think this is. All I know is it's pretty ugly. Thought I'd start by painting it as a black cat. Maybe it's a cat, and maybe it's a black rat. We don't know. Looks like it was painted like a Holstein cow or something right now. It may take 2 coats to get this completely black. Looks better already. Now we're gonna spin it and do the other side. And then we're gonna let this dry. Like I said, this will probably take 2 coats to cover, to get good coverage on it. Just painting it black has made it look a world of different. Oh! Come here. I found this and I thought, you know, all my friends with their black kitties, this is for them. I know Indy's got a black kitty. I think Dawn might from Shabby Meets Bling too. For all my friends with black kitties, this project's for you guys. We're gonna let that dry. Okay, here's our cat. I did have to touch it up. Okay, let's add a few whiskers.